how to change language in BTCC. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching how to change your language in BTCC. To change your language in BTCC, all we need to do is open up your BTCC right here. Once you open up your BTCC right here, next thing we need to do right here is click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner right there. You see like a 3 horizontal lines, press on that right there. After pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do, as you can see right here, so if you guys, you can change your language right here. How can you change your language? How can you change your language? All we need to do is click on the settings on the top right corner, settings icon. After pressing on that, you will see on the top right here, just above the display currency, you will see language. So all we need to do is press on language right there. After pressing on language right there, we can now choose a language that we want. For example, we can choose Chinese, Mandarin, there we go, Turkish, France, Portuguese, the Dutch, and Espanol, and so much more right there. So once you've chosen the language, for example, this one right here, there you go, choosing that, Chinese, there we go, it will show like that. Now if you want to put it back to normal, just click on the top left corner, the 3 horizontal lines. After pressing the 3 horizontal lines, you will see settings on the top right corner. Press on the settings icon on the top right corner. After pressing the settings icon on the top right corner, here in the top, press the top option right there. After clicking on the top option, now you see all the language right there. Put it back to the language that you want, and there you go. As you can see right now, we are now back to the English language right there. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you change your language here on BTCC. So there you guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed the film and a question, concerns, comment down comment below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible here on how to rock it guys. Anyways, you guys, see you in the next one, and thank you guys.